Yes, it is January. And yes, I'm talking about a spring makeup launch that has been out since December. But these are my most favorite fun little launches. Sephora launched their new Sephora Favorites kits for the springtime. I, of course, picked them up so I can show you the swatches, talk about the products inside, and tell you whether or not I think that they are worth it. If you don't know what a Sephora Favorites set is, essentially it's like a little gift bag here of some full-sized, some samples, a curation of products for you to try from Sephora. I find these to be a really good value typically, if you like most of the products, of course. I mean, that's the #1 rule when it comes to these Sephora favorite sets. Only buy if you like almost everything that's inside, or it's not going to be worth it. But if you do like what's inside, it's typically a very, very good deal. So they launched 2 new ones for the spring. Typically, these do sell out, in particular around the time of a Sephora savings event, which isn't anytime soon, but these will end up being limited edition. So the 2 that they launched were the Glow Up set, which is going to be our big guy for today. And I feel like a lot of people love a good lip set, so they launched the Perfect Pout Lip Kit. I'm going to go through each of these for you guys today. And I guess we'll start off with the smaller one and we'll finish off with the bigger one. I always cover these when they come out. I think they're fun. And as somebody who travels a lot, I have benefited a lot from purchasing these because a lot of these are minis and I bring them with me to travel a lot. So we'll dive in first to the Perfect Pout kit. I ripped mine open already. They don't come in reusable pouches like the holiday ones. It's just like paper for this one, which decreases the value if you ask me. I do like the ones that come in bags. That's just what we're getting. It's $42 and it has a $94 value. So well over double the price that you actually pay, again, if you do use these products. I actually can already tell you this set is worth it. You get 3 full-size products and then 2 smaller sizes. Let's dive in. Let's start off with the full sizes. I guess I can put these on. I did swatch them, but I'm sure you want to see them on me. So the first that we have is a full-size Rare Beauty Kind Words Lip Matte Liner in the shade Wise. That is a downside to these kits, is you don't have the ability to pick what shades are in, which is why you should watch videos like these to help you decide if you think that these are going to look good on you. Wise is a nice color. It's a nice neutral color. These are a retractable lip liner pencil. These are an all-time favorite formula of mine. Hold on. I do have a little bit of Pat McGrath contour on already, but this is a little bit more mauve-y. Now these are more of a softer blurred look of lip liner pencil, which is why they aren't my favorite, but they're not a bad formula by any means. I do really like this color. It adds the prettiest mauve definition. Goes really good with my eye look today. Oh, if you like to wear cool tones, this is a really nice one. I do like this one a lot. Again, not an all-time favorite lip liner formula of mine, but a lot of people do like it. I think it's awesome that you get a full size, but I think it's a really good color if you're around my skin tone. Now this next one I am jumping for joy about. You get a full-size Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk Fair. This is a fairly new shade. It just came out last year, and this is everything that I wanted the original Pillow Talk to be. If you feel like the original Pillow Talk is too peachy, this you are going to love. Look at this. This is a gorgeous light pink shade, and it complements the Wise lip liner shade really well. These two together already pretty much exceed the price point that you pay for this whole kit, and this is a lip combo right here. This is a gorgeous combo. For this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick alone, I'm in love with this set. This was one of my favorite, most used Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks in 2024. So the fact that this new shade, it's not new anymore, but it launched last year. I can't believe they put this in full size in the kit. Charlotte Tilbury has my favorite lipsticks. Obsessed with this edition. Makes the lip kit worth it, if you ask me. The colors, gorgeous, again, if you're around my skin tone. And these are all like best-selling formulas, which is why I really like these Sephora Favorites kits. I feel like they give you best-selling formulas. So next we have a Makeup by Mario Plumping Lip Serum in the shade Watermelon Glow. This is a formula I don't grab for all of the time, but I do have it. It's nice. It's one of those clicky ones that are really squishy and like wet when you apply them. So let's see. So it leaves a pretty natural color behind, really pretty for the summer. I mean, that's very pretty. Actually, it's a really natural color that gives a little bit of a pop though. I think it gives that kind of popsicle-y kind of look that's going to be really pretty for the spring and summer. And it is full-sized again. I like this. Probably wouldn't have bought this on its own full-sized, but I mean, it's nice. That's a pretty color, actually. Now we're on to the babies. We have a little baby YSL lipstick. Which formula is this? Love Shine Deluxe Mini Lip Oil Stick, which is not my favorite formula from them, in the shade 201. Let me show you a full-size one. Here's the packaging difference here. Obviously, the full-size one has a lot more intricate packaging. Let's see this color. I don't like this formula because I feel like it's not that I don't like it. I just feel like YSL charges a lot for this formula. I just don't think it's worth it. YSL has better formulas. It falls a little flat for me. This is a very natural shade. This is gonna look good on pretty much everybody with the correct lip liner because it's super neutral. It just adds an oil layer, pretty thin on the lips. I don't think it does the lips any favors. I don't think it does it a disservice either. It's just kind of there. I mean, it's nice to be able to get a little mini YSL lipstick formula, but I wouldn't recommend buying a full size of this. Let me tell you that. I would recommend buying other formulas from YSL, but not this one in particular. But like, it's not bad. I'll keep it. I'll use it if I need to, but it's not something that I'm consciously reaching for at all. Okay, and then the last item that we have is a little mini lip softy from Tower 28 in Ube Vanilla. I'm happy they put this shade in this kit because the other ones can be pretty sheer. Now, this is just so adorable compared to the full size. And I do like this shade, look at this. Now, this formula itself, I like Summer Fridays better. I like Road better. But this gets the job done. It does add hydration. It smells really good. It adds a little bit of tint here to the lips. It's not my favorite lip balm gloss kind of formulation, but it gets the job done. It's cute. So the sample sizes, I'm not jumping for joy about here. It's a good way to try them. And also, I love these little lippy sizes to throw in your purse. They take up no space at all. You can have your tiny little coin purse and put them in. But the full-size items in here, I'm really, really happy with. Even though I don't love all of the items in here, if you haven't tried these formulas, it's a great way to. But the full-size items alone make the value really great because I even love the colors that they put in here. So for me, this is a shop. I would recommend this one. Now let's take a dive into the Glow Up Kit. This is the bigger one here. In this one, you get 10 items. Only 3 are full-sized, but a couple of the other samples do have a pretty good deluxe size to them, but only 3 full-size. But it is only $58, so it's only $16 more than the last one, and it has a $174 value, so 3 times the price. So the value itself, if you're going just by numbers, this is the better one. I just love these sets because you can go into Sephora with a $50 bill, for example, and leave with 5 items. Or if you want to pay a little bit extra, you can leave with 10 items to try and take home with you. Okay, so we'll do the full-size items first. Starting off with Glossier, you get their iconic Boy Brow Grooming Pomade, which has made them very, very popular. This isn't an all-time favorite of mine. It's fine. I have brow gels that I personally prefer over this because I do have very stubborn brows, but it gets the job done. It's a cult favorite. I think it's great that they added a full size in here because there are so many people that do love this. Then this is not a sample. This is actually full-sized. the audacity of Milk, I know, to sell this as full size, but I do love the formula here. This is a lip and cream blush stick in the shade Rally, which is the most beautiful, maybe I'm being dramatic when I say most beautiful, but it is a beautiful, wearable, flushy pink. So this is one that's gonna bring color to your face. It's not like neutral by any means, but I like that they added this a little bit more vibrant blush color in this kit because it's gonna be able to be worn with a wider range of skin tones. Mine looks gross from getting that stupid plastic thing off. It comes nice. Anyways, this is a very nice cream cheek slash lip product. I've loved these for years and I think this color is very, very pretty. And then the last full-sized lip product that we have is from Tarte. This is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump in the shade Tulip, which I could be wrong, but I feel like I've gotten this in other Sephora Favorites kits. Sometimes they do recycle. I need to redo my lip liner. This lip liner is in this kit. I'll talk about it right now, actually. This is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Warm Brown. I'm just trying to get a little bit of definition. I love this lip liner from Huda Beauty. I love the colors that she has. This is a bit warm for my look now, but we're testing some colors. So this is the smaller one, but that's okay. I like this, and I like that they added this nice warm lip color. Okay, now I'm gonna put the Tulip over top. And these look good together. Not with my eyes, but that's okay. And this is a pretty, like, glowy lipstick leaning into gloss territory, but not quite as ooey gooey. Really good popular formula. Nice. Nothing like groundbreaking by any means, but it's nice. So we also have a few skincare items in this set. 3 to be exact, maybe 2 depending on how you're looking at it. But here's our first true skincare item from Summer Fridays. This is the Jet Lag Mask. And this, I believe, is a deluxe sample because it definitely is not like full size, but it's not tiny either. This will last you a while. I've not tried this personally, I can't speak on it, but Summer Fridays is a great brand, and I think this is a really nice big size. It's made to hydrate the skin. I have used this. I don't really remember my experience with it. I need to use it more, so I don't want to lie on my experiences. I don't remember. Okay, the other skincare item that we have here is a mini of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrop Serum. Now, I know a lot of people already have this in their everyday routine. This is when it becomes a great travel item. This is really nice and lightweight on the skin. It adds a little bit of a glow. I do like this product. It's a really teeny tiny sample though. I wish the bottle at least looked like the full-size bottle. How cute would that have been? And then this, it could be skincare, it could be a makeup product depending on how you're looking at it. The tiniest, cutest little Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Now, I must have moved my full-size one. It gives me zits, so I don't use it very often, but I know a lot of people love this. This is a cult classic. It is extremely hydrating, very, very thick, which is why it makes me break out. But if you have disgustingly dry skin, especially this time of year, this is a great, great product. And I think it's fabulous that this is available like to travel with. Like this is something that I would travel with. So love this. Wish it didn't make me break out, but it's a great addition. I don't love this formula, but so many people do. I'm not going to touch it. This is a Rare Beauty Liquid Luminizer in Outshine. For me, I just feel like my skin eats this up. The glow goes away really quickly. And I keep getting this color, and it's not really the most flattering on my skin tone. It's too gold, a little bit too warm and deep for my skin tone. This will last you a long time. A lot of people love this formula, so I'm not going to knock it too much. It's just not to my preferences. We also have the cutest little Urban Decay All-Nighter Watermelon Fruit Extract Setting Spray, currently in my speed reviews drawer. I'm working on the full size. This is really nice. It smells really artificial, which I like. I like an artificial fruit scent. And this is great to hold on to. I keep talking about travel, but like you gotta think about this stuff. I travel a lot. To put this into this when I travel, it takes up so much less weight, so much less space. And you already know Urban Decay setting sprays really do work. So this is awesome. And then the last item in this set is a mini Benefit roller lash. Nice and tiny. You know what I'm gonna say next. For travel, decent formula. Not an all-time favorite. Not a not favorite. It's a oldie but goodie. It's been around for a while. I don't have much to say about this mascara. If I'm being honest though, despite this being the larger set, the better value, for myself personally, I will get more value out of this Pout lip kit because I just like the products in here more. Looking at the bigger one, I don't think there are any products besides maybe the Milk makeup. I like the Huda Beauty too. These are the only two products I love. The rest, some are decent, and what do I not like? I don't like this, and I don't like this because it gives me zits, but it is really, really nice. I think this is really tight. I'm just not as in love with this kit. And that's how I feel. That's my initial impression on these. There are some good products in here. There are some average products in here. But if I have around $50, $60, I'm going to spend it on the lip set. I just like the colors better. But this is all down to personal preference, what you have in your collection, what you're actually going to use. And that's really up to you for what you think is the best value. I just wanted to present the items to you, swatch them for you, give you little reviews on each product. And I will have both of these awesome sets linked down below if you're interested. Once they sell out, they normally don't come back. Can't believe this is a spring launch and we're still in January. I actually bought these in December before I went out of town. That's insane. But anyways, if you're interested in either of these kits, let me know down below your thoughts on them. Do you think they're worth them? Do you think they're not? I personally find the holiday sets to be a little bit more exciting, but still wanted to share with you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Really excited to get back into reviewing as I get back into the swing of things. So make sure you like this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys, have a good one.
It's delicious.